Stop playing with them, fool.
Alright everybody, welcome back to another episode of Southside Fishing. I am your host with the least, Nick. Welcome to the brand new installment, this little series that I'm going to be doing every Tuesday. I'm going to call it Tips for Tuesdays, where I try to explain a tip or teach you guys a tip basically that'll help progress your fishing experience in either 2 minutes or less. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video, which is going to be how to remove a backlash effectively my way. This is the test subject. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen that spool tension. Gonna click that bail out and look at it. Ready? Here we go. Okay, that is not good. So now that we have completely ruined brand new fluorocarbon and a brand new reel for no reason, let's dive down to the table and I'll hopefully show you how to get these things out. Okay, so we have our reel here and it is very backlashed, if you can see that. We are going to go ahead and see if we can't get this out. Now, I really don't have a special technique. I just kind of claw at the damn thing, to be honest. To close your bail, loosen that drag to where you can easily pull it out, but tight enough so that that spool doesn't keep rotating when you stop pulling. Pull until you see that knot form and you can't pull anymore. Now, don't pull so hard that that knot gets buried into the line. You want to keep track of that knot because you're going to literally grab that knot and pick at it. Just pick it out like that and keep going until you get another knot. Pick it out. Keep pulling. Until you either find another knot that you're gonna have to pick out or that all the backlash, all that flare up is eliminated. All of that flare up is eliminated. Now you're gonna crank your drag down pretty tight. And you're gonna hold pressure on that line and you're gonna reel it all back in. Try not to get knots anywhere. All right, there you have it. Backlash is cleared, everything's nice, good. And honestly, that's really the simplest way I've found to really get rid of a backlash, to be honest. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this was helpful for you guys, getting a little bit more time on the water, less time removing backlashes. If you did like the video, please don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys think. Are you excited for this new series? I kind of am. It's going to be coming up every Tuesday, so hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you on the next video.